Here's a quick summary of how prepaid and payment pending contests work on Cad Crowd. A prepaid contest means that the client has prepaid their project when they posted it on the site and they are able to download the files submitted by designers. A payment pending contest means that the client has posted their project without making a deposit on the work. The client will only be able to view screenshots that are included with designer submissions, and they will not be able to download any of the files, and they won't own intellectual property until they make a payment on the project. The prepaid contests, assuming the design criteria initially outlined on the contest are met, means that the prize money is guaranteed to be paid out to one of the designers participating in the project. Here's a few quick notes on advice for payment pending contests specifically. So in other words, a contest where the client has posted it but has not made a deposit. Firstly, it's important that the client has uploaded an adequate work description, including full details about the project. If it's product design, colors may be specified, dimensions, materials, sketches, as well as an explanation of the end use for their designs. If any of this information is missing, we recommend asking the client for that information, as well as potentially links to competing products that are currently on the market to help give designers an idea of what the expectations are for the work. In addition, we recommend that you post comments to the designer comment area and pay attention to whether the client is responding to those questions, which is an indication of how serious they are about making a deposit for the design contest. In addition, if the client is unresponsive to messages, we recommend not participating in a payment pending contest. The next thing that's an important thing to check is the client's last login time. If the client hasn't logged in for several days, we don't recommend participating in payment pending contests until the client has logged back in. There's a chance that the contest may have been abandoned in those cases. The payment as well, we recommend designers politely encourage the client to make a payment prior to spending a lot of time on the design contest to make sure that you aren't investing time without a deposit ever getting made. In addition, we also suggest that designers politely request the design compensation. In other words, the prize amount is increased if the prize budget is way out of line. In other words, for the winning design of the contest, it only works out to, say, $3 an hour for the winning designer. So if the budget is out of line, we also recommend that. Just one follow-up on the last login time. To check the designer's or the client's last login time, all you have to do is go to the contest page, click into whichever contest you're interested in participating in. Once that page is loaded, click on the client's profile page. On the profile page, it will show the client's last login time. If the login time has not been in the last day, there's a risk that the contest may have been abandoned, and we recommend not participating in it. So that's one other important consideration to make when participating in payment pending contests. A significant number of payment pending contests do get paid. However, going through these steps greatly improves your chances of not investing time in contests that don't get paid. So it's very important to take these steps into account, communicate with the client, make sure that they have a degree of seriousness and are considering making a deposit for the project. Please contact us if you have any issues or if you suspect a contest has gone dormant, and we'll look into it. Thanks a lot.